If I walked into your organization today and asked you one simple question, what is your revenue cycle trying to tell you? Would you know the answer? Not your collections rate, not your days in AR, not your monthly deposits. I mean the deeper answer. What operational stories are hiding inside your numbers right now? Because most healthcare organizations still think of our revenue cycle as a billing department function. Claims go out, payments come in, denials get worked, aging gets reviewed, end of story. But high-performing organizations understand something very different. Your revenue cycle is not just billing, it's operational intelligence. It is one of the clearest mirrors of how your organization is actually functioning. Welcome to Medical Money Matters, the podcast where you can find experts, answers, and resources so that you can achieve mastery over the financial and business aspects of your practice.